This is the AL-M9 by Aputure. It's an LED light and has the same height and width as a credit card, and it costs just $45. It's an incredibly small and simple device to use. On the side, you'll find the power switch, 2 buttons to dim the LEDs up and down, and a micro USB charging port. The M9 also comes with a hot shoe mount adapter with a 1/4-inch thread at the base of it. The front of the M9 is magnetically attached, and it also serves as a filter holder, so basically you can just drop in gels and hold it in place using the front cover. Underneath that, you'll find 9 individual LEDs that's our light source. It's dimmable in 9 steps, so that's 10 positions in total. Using my Sekonic light meter, I measured at full brightness about 70-foot candles at the distance of 1 foot, and at minimum brightness about 10-foot candles. So that's about a 2 2/3 stop difference between maximum and minimum brightness. So for a light of this size, it does output quite a bit of brightness. I also measured the color temperature of this light using the Lumu, and it came in at about 4,910 Kelvin, which is about 600 Kelvin warmer than daylight. In terms of color shift, it has a 1/10 of a green shift, which isn't too bad at all. But what I really love about this light, apart from how small, portable and powerful it is it has a built-in lithium-ion rechargeable battery. So you do charge it using just your typical micro USB, and you don't need any additional batteries for it. It just works on its own. It's an 1800 mAh battery, so at full brightness you get about 2 hours of on time, and at minimum brightness you get 13 hours of on time. Because of the M9's size and convenience, there's really no one way to use this light. You can use it for shooting events when you can't or don't have the time to set up big lights. You can simply just gaff tape this onto any surface and you have a small little light source that's concealable. Or even for shooting narrative film, this is a very easy light to hide in a shot. I also find myself using it as a flashlight on set very often. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the Aputure AL-M9. It's just so convenient and practical, and it's very affordable. In fact, I think this should be an essential accessory in any indie filmmaker's kit. It's hands down one of my favorite accessories. So this is the Aputure AL-M9. Any questions about this light and comments, just post them in the comment section below. So that's it for today, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.